Point Chico. Issued a tornado warning for East Central Lawrence County and North Central Texas until 11:15 p.m. At 10:39 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located about 2 miles east of Decatur, moving east at 10 miles per hour. Hazard: tornado and hail up to 2 inches in diameter. Source: radar-indicated rotation. Impact: flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near New Fairview around 11:15 p.m. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Tornadoes are extremely difficult to see and confirm at night. Do not wait to see or hear the tornado. Take cover now.